Hello guys, we have already talked about this, that linked list is not a contiguous allocation of the memory. So if the linked list is not a contiguous allocation in the memory, so how the data is connected? So we will look how the data is connected in the linked list. So if we want to store a number, suppose 1 and 2, which has our data, we want to store two numbers 1 and 2. So how can they connected if they are not contiguous in the memory? So first we will look for the architecture of the linked list. So architecture is like that, where in the first if I divide a node into two subparts, in the first part it has the number column, and in the second part it is the address column. In the number column, we actually we actually store our data in the number column, and in the address column we actually store the address of the next node. So what we have done, we actually divided the node into two subparts, in which the first part contains the number and the second part contains the address of the next node. So if I want to store 1 and 2, then look what I have done. First, forget about the address. Suppose that we have stored the first number 1 at this location, and in the memory this is stored at the location address 200. So what we have done, we have actually assigned the number to this node, and forget about this address for now. Now look, if we also want to store 2 in our memory, so suppose if 2 is stored at the location 300 in our memory, so what actually we have done, we have assigned this number in this block and forget about this address. Now suppose we want to connect the 1 with 2. So how can actually we connect? This is at the location address 300. So what we will do, we just give here the address of 2 where the node is stored. So look, I have given the address of the next node. So what this address means, we actually store the address of the next contiguous node. So this is a node, and we have divided it into two subparts. First part is containing the number is 1, and then the address column is storing the address 300. 300 is what? 300 is the address of the next contiguous node. Okay, so now 2. Now we look if any next node after 2. No, there is no any node after 2. So what we will do, we will just store here null, because this is the last node. No any node after 2. So just this is the architecture. What we I will summarize this. What we have done, we actually divide our node into two subparts, number and address. We store the number in the number frame and store the address at address frame. What is this address? Address is the address of the next node. So actually look, second number is stored at the location 300 in our memory. So we have stored 300 in the node of first number. So it will point to this second node, and the second node has no next node, so we have stored actually null. This is it. This is our linked list. How this is connected? This is connected through addresses. With the first number, we have stored the address of the second number. This is the basic architecture and the concept of the linked list. Thanks.